I think we're live. All right. Today is 25th of June and I'm waiting to gonna do something else, but I have a little bit of time and I wanted to go over US session yesterday, also maybe the day before. Just look at the levels, look at the screen, and for this purpose I want to use the back tester actually. Why not? I'm not gonna trade today. Way too busy. Way too many things that I need to do. So that's the reason why we go to the replay. And if you don't like it, tough luck. Anyway, so we can do 24. We can do price stops at 1800. That is fine. And money doesn't matter. We're gonna look at the chart. Doesn't matter. Let's see what happens. Just waiting for the backtester to start up now.
Streaming mode active.
Back. Since the backtester, I have backtester set to the black background because it's better at nighttime. Now you know. Let's see. Let it load up.
Standing. Red line.
Yeah. It's loading the bars, so that's why it's a bit slow.
Understood. Waiting on the bars to populate.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There we are. Right. So let's check delta settings. All right. 45, 40. So that's a bit aggressive. And 100 for RTX is also a bit aggressive. And this is good enough. Yeah. And then let's go on delta footprint filter at 60. Okay. Right. So we have the 15 here, and this is the 15 session has been.
Got it. Adjusting settings, filter to 60. Waiting for the view.
So the crosshair, let's see. This is the bar, that is the open, right here. So this bar, we have a gap, and this bar actually shows that we had some strength. We went lower. We couldn't really go lower. That's what the 15 told us, right? Well, we had some levels before. Oh my god. Ads, I need to stop that. Go away. Anyway, so let's see. This was the level on 15 and previous level on 50. Let's see what we also had before the session started. This one. So we had this level before we started, right? Let's see what else. Right. There was also this level, but yeah. And then let's see what else did we have. 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, yes, there was more levels, right? Really, there was only this was the only really interesting level around down here. All of it was taken out by price. Okay, cool. And to the upside we have this. Should be enough. I was playing some music in the background. I thought, yeah, this is fine. No, random ads.
Upside level marked. Proceeding.
Yeah. So we have 15. We have this open here. And now we go and we can minimize this. We go on this thing and tick chart. Yeah, whatever, it's fine. Let's go back. This is only the 5 minute. We're just gonna disregard this for now. I like the 5 minute over there, but yeah, never mind that right now. We're gonna make the VPOC invisible because it's somewhat confusing currently. Right.
Understood. Adjusting visibility.
Yeah. Wait for it to populate. So this is kind of the open. Notice the difference on the lower side. 3:30 p.m. That's the open. And if we take the crosshair, see, and there, this one bar, this is the open right here. And we go down, take this level out, we go higher. And price just doesn't want to really go. Let's go actually on a 1 minute because this is way too crazy. Yeah, I just want to see if there is something really interesting. What would I actually play on this, right? So yeah, okay. Again, same thing. Open is here. We go lower, right? So we have direction, and then boom, we have direction to the upside. What happens? We don't have a retrace into the gap. Nothing. And then we have a close to the downside. Okay. So we have a reason here to go short with a stop here, and then we need to zoom in here to wait and see what it says. Yeah, stop would be above, and we would be short here, and price goes even lower. So I would move my stop at least at this level. Bunch of buyers, they get defeated. That's good for me. Cool. And we go down. Then sellers, probably, yeah, lost trade. First one would lose. So first one would be 642 up to 852. So just a one contract if I would do that, right? And it would be, well, most likely stopped at 797 if I don't trail it even further, which I may have done, who knows, but still, yeah, I don't see any gaps here. Actually, this is the 1 minute as well. Anyway, I don't normally go on 1 minute. 1 second.
Streaming.
Yeah,
Analysis.
just wait for it. Right. So it's even more obvious here, right?
Price action confirms.
Yeah. Wants to go down, boom, wants to go down, wants to go down. Finally, we have a close above this here. That's what I saw on MT5 anyway. And because we are here, this is the double level, so this is the entry I wanted to find. Aha, no gaps, okay. And I wouldn't touch it. On the 1 minute.
Next level up mark.
Yeah, on the 1 minute, this is the trade I was looking for. Interesting. Aha. So basically we have bigger buyers and we don't want to go lower. Up here, retrace into this and then down with the buyers. Yeah, question. Doesn't look good for yesterday.
Buyers locked at that level. Price
and
walk.
we have the highs up here. I mean, if I bought here for any reason, the highs up here would be where I would take that out. And yeah, we would hit that. Kind of flat, yeah. I saw somebody calling this level, taking the retrace, selling it into this spike. That's aggressive, if you ask me. But I guess some people do that, huh? Anyway, that didn't look very good. So, maybe I did not miss anything from not trading US session yesterday. Looks like it would have been all over the place. But don't really know. See, down, upside, down, switch, and then up.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, same entry would be here, really. Entry here at 638, stop at 858, trail down to 798, double level, again double level, trail to 737. And then we go lower with a gap, and we reject the lows with a yeah. The question is, am I sitting with yeah, am I holding that position with no risk? That's the thing. Am I? Here. I would probably trail it slightly. Oh, no, I wouldn't actually. I would have to eat that. Anyway, small loser there. And then this level gets defeated. Yeah, this level gets defeated, and by that point we're creating the gap here, right? And then what we have, is that a gap? I don't know, maybe it is. Yeah, looks like Chop City. This entry, these sellers.
Looking at the formation.
Doesn't look good actually. Doesn't look good. Right, let's check the timer. Okay. I want to check the one day more. Okay, we got 10 more minutes. It's fine. Let's check one more day earlier. Let's see.
How much time left on the 30?
Now we got like 12 minutes. It's fine. Let's see. Go back to 23. Here. That's the AM. 23 on the AM. Okay. I'm just gonna put some lines on.
Got it. Time check. How many minutes remain on the timer?
We have more than, we have 10 minutes. It's fine. Right, let's go on the big screen and do the levels. So if we imagine this is the 330 bar.
Continue.
What we have before is this. So what do we have coming into that session? We have this level. We also have this level.
What's showing on the levels?
I'm just plotting the previous swings now on price. And we have this level previously. And then we have this above.
Looking at price action now. Go.
Yeah. I'm gonna go on the 1 hour now. Right. Like
Switch
this.
to hourly. What's the structure showing?
I'm just plotting the levels, what we have. I know price went down. I mean, come on. But yeah, so these are the levels that we have going into that session. On 15, what do we have? Like this, right? So we break down, we close below, there's a gap. Is somebody shorting there? Maybe you get trapped, but we'll see what the faster time frame says. Now, let's see. We don't actually need trade mode. It's better without it. Good.
Levels locked from previous session. Gap trap visible going into the 1530 open.
Looks like sellers getting trapped down there, but you don't know what the 2 minute was looking like. Or 1 minute or 1,000. I mean, you know. I'm just scrolling it. Let's see what we get. Soon there.
Which frame, 1 minute or 1,000 tick?
Now I'm just combining 15 with 2 minutes right now. Right, there's the 330 thing. Okay, that's the thing. Right, so what we see here is this is sellers getting defeated. Very simple. That's the 330 candle. Big sellers, 330 sellers. And I mean, do I need to zoom in, or can you actually see that the spikes pierce the level but doesn't go anywhere? So the direction on the open is like we reject the lows. We have buyers, big buyers here. We have big buyers above. We have to get some sellers going into it. We get 300 delta sellers at the open. They get defeated later above. Would I enter market to go long here? Not sure, but maybe I would. It looks good for that. Looks good for a target up here at the F. We can't do that right now. Okay. So the target for that trade would have to be 299.01. Let's see if there's a reason to enter it. So that's the big bar sweeping there. No gap up. There's a gap. We close above here with a gap. There's a reason to enter here at 29780. And stop could be either here, 667, or below the thing, 613. And then we have the high, 299.02. Interesting. Let's see what we say. So we take out these levels going in. And we go up. Yeah. Take out this. This is the target one. And the other higher level, we take out that as well. Okay. This retraced this green candle. I was thinking instantly, oh, this is a reason to enter more. It wasn't. This could be, but the question is if they get crushed here. Yeah, they did. Yeah, okay. Of course they did. Not good. Buyers, sellers, and then sellers win this with no gap, so I'm not touching it. But there's a gap. There's some sellers. That's a retrace. And that's an entry right there. To 878. Stop could be at 3006. Interesting. So it's like 130 points or so, and targets is probably down here, 723. And I just glanced at the 15 and realized, yeah, it is.
Streaming analysis mode, no interruption.
Yeah, I turned off the phone. Yeah. Yes, and we have the double low here, so I would trail to this level and regardless. And then we have, this is also classic reversing setup. Notice we have buyers coming down. We have sellers in this bar. We don't have sellers here. We have a double low. And when we get defeated, classic switch mode B setup. All right. How far it goes, I don't actually know that, but yeah, doesn't really go too far. But again, same trail to here, so that would be locked into profit. Yeah, I think that's all we got. I just really wanted to check the charts a bit. Yeah, I think we're ending the stream there. I need to sort out some things. And today I have looked at some charts, and it's been confusing for me as well. I will now continue my breakfast, and most likely I'll be on the charts on Monday. I think so. Yeah. Anyway, I will see you